Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Phantom wallet in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, launch the Phantom app or browser extension and log in to your account. Once you're in, tap the Receive button to get your wallet address. Then, copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Once copied, go to your exchange or another wallet like Binance. Paste the address, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit like Solana, enter the desired amount, and then send it. Wait for the transaction to complete, and your funds will appear in your Phantom wallet. And that's how easy it is to deposit money into your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. See you in the next video.